Yes, you have an 8 to 5, but what are you doing 5 to 9 to better your life?
Hey.
Oh, okay. We're just not even gonna talk about it. That's how outside's looking right now. I just got off of work. We got home. She went to school. Had a great day, right? An okay day.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
We're not leaving yet, but I have all these clothes to fold, as you can see. I even have a basket over there, and those are all clean clothes. So I'm about to go ahead and get her in the bath. She's just chilling, eating her food, about to take a bath and go to bed.
My food cannot blow.
Okay. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. I will see you guys once she's in the bed. Welcome back to another day in the vlog. It is a Tuesday and we are about to get some clothes done. I was not going to fold any of these clothes, y'all. Like, I'm not even going to hold you. Like, I just went to work from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and I usually work 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day, or like 8 to 4 Monday through Friday, and I usually have the weekends off. So the weekend is when I vlog and when I record and I edit. So usually after work I'll do like my daughter's routine, and then I'll have my routine and I'll go to bed and we get up and do like the same thing every day. But I've been trying to get myself to be more motivated to do stuff after work. I seen this post that said, yes, you have an 8 to 5, but what are you doing 5 to 9 to better your life? And that really sat with me, okay? It spoke to me. So I'm in her room. We're about to fold these clothes and I'm about to watch some YouTube and just kind of let you guys chill with me, fold laundry with me, get you some water, and let's just chill and get some productive stuff done. It is 7:38. Anaya just laid down at 7 o'clock for bed, so I'm really just up doing whatever I want. Let me change my battery because it's about to die. Oh my gosh, I'm just so tired. Anyways, let's get this load of laundry folded and put away, because if I don't do it tonight, it's not gonna get done. Let's just be honest. It's not really even that much anyway. It's just like a load of laundry. Oops. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and get it out the way.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm hurt. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's
To show them this. Mommy, they can see it.
It's cold.
Yep. Mommy, I wanted a granola bar.
Huh?
A granola bar.
A granola bar?
Yep. You can have a granola bar. I'll have my cranberries. In your room, we can eat them together. Can you see my back?
Yeah.
Mommy, did you do this one?
Not yet. Which side do you want? This side?
Nope. The pink side.
This side?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Mom, you forgot hair right here. Hi, videos. Look at my bonnet. How many lines are these?
285. Winnie the Pooh?
And rabbit.
Yep. I'm so tired. It doesn't even make any sense. But I just got done eating dinner. I made some stuffed peppers, and I kind of want to show you guys how I make them because they are fire, okay? And plus, we got to put each other on to cooking more because I love to cook and I love to experiment with food, but I just feel like I don't know a lot of things to cook, so I tend to make the same things. So I feel like I need to have more friends who are cookers, you know, be in the kitchen putting their foot in the food. You feel me? Not literally, but you know. But yeah, because I'm trying to make Thanksgiving next year. That's what type of time I'm on, okay? But anyways, yeah, if I end up getting more ingredients to make it again, I will show you guys how to make it, because girl, when I make them, I'm telling you, my mom, my sisters, everybody just... He cut me yesterday, by the way. And he got the nerve to still be biting me, like... Excuse you. He's probably mad because I cut him. Yes, I did shave him. Hi, Hunter. Hi, buddy. Yeah. Okay, not in my face. Come on, bro. Hunter, every time he gets started, he does not stop. Like, it doesn't matter if it's 12 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It does not matter. He will get started and he will not stop unless you tell him, like, bro, I'm done playing with you. You know, I'm done playing with you. I'm done playing with you. I'm done. Anyways, yeah, like I said, my mom and my sisters love the peppers. Ow! That hurt. My mom and my sisters love the peppers. So I'm probably going to take some more, ouch, over there. And his little baby teeth be hurting. Stop it. I don't care. Be mad. But anyways, I'm about to go ahead and wash my face and get my clothes out for tomorrow for work and go to bed, honestly. Like, I am tired. I'm exhausted for the day. And it is 8:49, so I'm about to be in bed before 9 o'clock. What is the word I'm looking for? There's like always these quotes that's like, I don't know. If I find it, I'll show you guys. I don't know. My brain just thinks about like so many different things at once. I'm just like, ooh, subject to subject to subject, back to this subject. Okay, now this subject. It's so crazy. But yeah, that's the plans for tonight. I'm about to go ahead, wash my face, get some fresh clothes on, take a shower, and things like that. And that's it. And I'm about to go to bed. So yeah. Good night. Also, I redid my lashes yesterday. I'm not sure how well you can like see them, but these are super freaking curly lashes, and y'all, I don't know how I feel about them. I really don't know how I'm feeling about them. Like, I feel like they're just a little too much, but then again, all my lashes I feel like are too much. I don't know, but I just feel like these are just so like, they're so curly, and I never had them like this. They were very hard to put on, by the way, too. Anywho, yeah, I'm about to head that way. Good night. Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and get our day started. I have today off. Usually I don't have Fridays off, but I work tomorrow, which is Saturday, and we're supposed to get 12 inches or 14 inches of snow starting after 9 o'clock. So we're going to try to get out of the house before 9 or 10 o'clock. I just have to go to the store, get a hygiene shopping vlog done. So today's plans are drop Anaya off to her aunt's house, go to Walmart to film a hygiene shopping vlog. So that's pretty much the plans for today. I don't even know if I said it was Friday. It is 8 o'clock in the morning, and we're gonna go ahead and get ready, get dressed, things like that. My bathroom, you guys, I need to clean my bathroom before I go. It's a hot mess. So I have clothes I need to put in the dirty laundry, just stuff everywhere. But we'll get it cleaned up. So yeah, that is the plans for today. I'm about to go ahead and make me some coffee because I can't do this without coffee. I cannot. I just can't do it without coffee. So let's make us some coffee. Here's my little Keurig. Love her. I don't even have much left. Like, if y'all seen how much I have left, I just might as well pour it in. These little cute coffee cups, by the way. This one is pink, and then this one is purple. I honestly like the purple one more, even though I'm a pink girl. But let's get him some food. Where's your bowls? Having a dog is like having another kid. I'm not even going to hold y'all. Like, I have to be like, stop, Hunter. Don't do that, Hunter. Lay down. Like, girl. It's a whole nother type of ordeal that nobody told me about. Like, nobody told me it would be this hard to get Hunter and his life together, okay? You already have food. Why do you want more? I'm just giving him some food.
2 hours later.
Anaya is dropped off to her aunt. We are actually headed to Walmart to get this hygiene blog done, or shopping blog, you know. So I'm gonna try to get in there and get out. Today's video is going to be more of like a clean girl hygiene shopping, because I usually do like vanilla scents, warm scents, all that stuff, but I really want to get into like the cleaner scents, the cotton scents, like, you know, stuff like that. So it'll be interesting to see what they have. I already know that Johnson has like a clean cotton or a cotton touch, something like that, body wash that I absolutely love. It's for babies, but I love it. The lotion and everything, the bath stuff smells so good. So you might get that. But yeah, I'm gonna go in here and get this video done, and then I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. So yeah.
You only gonna do 2? 3? You only gonna do 2? Do 2. Bless you, puppy. I always say, bless you, puppy. I always say that.
Take an alcohol wipe,
Why?
because we're gonna prep them.
Prep them. What's prepping?
Prepping them?
Yeah.
Just making sure your nail polish doesn't come off.
It doesn't hurt. This one is purple. Oh, it's not. Mommy, I like purple.
Alright, so we made it back home. I did the vlog, and it went actually really good. We're eating dinner. I have my dinner, she has her dinner, and also it is very much giving winter storm outside. Like, you guys can see that? Like, that's how outside's looking right now. So yeah, we're watching Lilo and Stitch and eating our dinner. We have snacks as well, and we're just about to chill. That's what it's about to be the rest of the night, because I gotta work tomorrow. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is what happens when you let toddlers eat food in your room. You always have to vacuum the floor, okay? Pro tip, just don't let toddlers eat in your bed, because it's just, I'm tired of it. So my mom got me this Shark vacuum. When you turn it on, the lights come on, period. And it's also one for pet hair. It like rotates the pet hair or whatever, cleans itself, so you don't have to clean it. But it's a Shark, and I'm so thankful. Thank you, Mother. It's so nice. I love the color of it. It's like a brownish color, I would say, but we love her. We use her every single day, multiple times a day. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my little vacuum. So yeah, let's get to vacuuming.
still gonna be rocky. I'm gonna make a bed that's cooler and stronger.
Toddlers have some, they say. Anyways, I'm about to go ahead and get her ready for BED. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and finish cleaning my bathroom, you guys, because I know we talked about this earlier, but I did not. Oh, okay. We're just not even gonna talk about it. We're just going to act like I was in a rush this morning and just didn't want to deal with it, because as you guys know, I woke up early, okay? Well, no, I woke up at like the normal time that I usually wake up, but we left pretty early, like 10 o'clock, so I was rushing to get things done and around. So I just didn't have time to put everything away, but we'll go ahead and clean this up as soon as we get her ready for bed. So, yeah, that's the vibes.
I had to make my bed.
Guys, it's been such a productive day. We did it in the snow and snowstorm. We got home and just chilled, really. Now I gotta clean my bathroom that I'm not really wanting to clean up, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Let's go ahead and get this bathroom together, because y'all know ever since this morning it's been a hot mess. So I'm just gonna set you guys up and let you guys watch me quickly put this away and get my bathroom situated, because it's getting disgusting and I need to get it together before I sit down and edit for about 2 hours. So let's get this bathroom cleaned up.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. Can't try to run and hide. Make a difference. Can't lie to yourself.
So I'm finally done cleaning my bathroom after procrastinating all day to clean that bathroom, y'all. I got me a little Sprite. Does anyone else feel like when they drink pop it tastes like electric? Because if it's just me, I don't know, I don't think that's right. I feel like it tastes like electric, you know. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get some editing done. I was trying to see how much Final Cut Pro was, but it's $299, and I thought that you could do like a monthly subscription for it, but I did not find that. So I'm still using CapCut, if anyone was wondering. I know some people ask me like, what do I edit on? I love CapCut. I was using iMovie for a while, but that's just not it. It's just not giving what we need to give. So yes, I'm about to go ahead and edit the video I actually did today, because why not? You know, I have a good 2 hours. It's almost 9 o'clock. Wow, I did not notice that. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to give myself about an hour, because it's literally about to be 9 o'clock, so about until 10 to edit a video and see if I can get as much done as possible. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now, and I'll probably end up going to bed after this. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I do work tomorrow 6 to 11, so it's not too bad. It's supposed to be really bad outside tomorrow or tonight. It's bad tonight, like it's bad, okay? I went out there to take I went outside to take Hunter outside, and the snow, the way it was packed in front of my car, I don't know if she's going to pull out of the driver's space. I don't know if she's going to pull out of the parking spot. So I guess we'll have to see in the morning, but I'm gonna just push it. I'm gonna just turn the car on, put it in drive, and vroom, you know, vroom through. Anywho, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and finish getting some work done, and then I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night.